मैं प्रतिदिन समाचार चैनलों पे 15 से 30 मिनट समय व्यतीत करती हूँ।
मैं रोज 1 से 1.5 घंटा समाचार देखता हूँ।
I spend 30 to 45 minutes a day watching news.
I refrain from watching any such news channels to get my daily updates. I basically rely on newspapers and independent media sources.
मैं रोज़ाना समाचारों से जुड़े रहने के लिए दिन भर में 5 से 10 मिनट का समय देता हूँ।
I hardly spend any time watching news channels nowadays, less than an hour or so.
I usually spend 10 to 15 minutes watching news only.
I don't watch any of these news channels, but yeah, to keep up with the news, I follow independent journalism on internet.
मैं न्यूज़ चैनल बहुत कम देखती हूँ, अमूमन 10 से 15 मिनट। ज़्यादातर मैं जो सोशल मीडिया पे इंडिपेंडेंट जर्नलिस्ट हैं उन पर निर्भर हूँ।
I don't watch any news channel at all, not for a single second in a day.
Spend almost 1 hour on news channels in a day.
I spend no time on news channels, rather I prefer internet for authenticated news.
Approx 30 minutes.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो समाचार चैनल है वो साहित्य को बेहतर बनाने में ज़्यादा मदद कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि आज भी शुद्ध हिंदी की गरिमा बरकरार है। मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो समाचार चैनल के प्रवक्ता हैं उनके बोलने के ढंग से हम ये सीख सकते हैं कि किसी शब्द को किसी तरह जोड़े रखना है और किस अर्थ और किस जगह से भी जोड़ना है। समाचार चैनल चलाए द्वारा कुछ कार्यक्रम जैसे लपेटे में नेताजी एक बहुत अच्छी कोशिश है साहित्य को समाज से जोड़ने की, क्योंकि उसमें आमंत्रित नेताओं को अपना मत व अपने विचार किसी कविता के माध्यम से सामने रखने होते हैं। जहाँ तक बात है समाज की, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि समाचार चैनल का नकारात्मक प्रभाव ज़्यादा पड़ रहा है, क्योंकि वहाँ जानकारी से ज़्यादा अपने विचार और मत ज़्यादा रखे जाते हैं। तो मैं ये भी महसूस करती हूँ कि वो जानकारी का एक बहुत भरोसेमंद स्रोत नहीं है। मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वहाँ से पूरी तरह सही जानकारी प्राप्त नहीं की जा सकती।
कहीं ना कहीं हम जो देखते हैं हम वही सीखते हैं, और जो हम सीखते हैं हम वही सोचते हैं, और जो हम बार बार सोचते हैं वही आगे जाके हमारी सोच बन जाती है, और जो हम सोचते हैं हम उसे ही लिखने का प्रयास करते हैं। बस कुछ इसी तरह समाचार की छाप हमारे साहित्य तक पहुंच जाती है।
News channels are basically supposed to inform public of various events happening in their country and around the world in a clear, correct and truthful way. They shape one's views and opinions, setting the agendas for public discussion. But if the same information is presented in a biased way, it can mislead the crowd, causing hatred and an environment of tension in the society. Moreover, watching news attentively has a huge impact on our literary knowledge. We get to learn a lot of new things from the news anchor. Thus, selecting a proper news channel is very essential as it affects the way we think, write, and speak.
Although I feel that listening to these news channels helps us to improve our vocabulary, both Hindi and English, but I feel that these private agencies or news channels aren't at all focused at promoting the literature in any manner. But there are some channels like Doordarshan or the DD News that have some great programs, and they aren't focused or they aren't compromising with their content for the TRP.
मुझे लगता है कि क्योंकि समाचार हमें हमारे समाज में हमारे आसपास जो कुछ भी हो रहा है उससे अवगत करवाते हैं, और एक कवि या एक शायर या एक लेखक उस पर लिखता है। ये एक बहुत बड़ा विषय होता है लिखने का कि जो भी आसपास समाज में चल रहा है। तो जाहिर है कि समाचार पत्र या खबरें जो हैं वो लेखन को प्रभावित करती हैं, और जो कि बहुत दुखद है कि इस वक्त वो प्रभाव जो है वो नकारात्मक ही है अधिकांशतः।
In the status quo, the news channels are adversely impacting the society, especially in India, where most of the news channels are currently operating solely for TRP, and they are spreading hatred, and it seems as if they are being manipulated and being handled by people of great power. They are spreading hatred, they are spreading fake news, rumors, and though I agree to the fact that it is completely up to the viewers to draw an analysis from what they view, but once they see only hatred on news channels and fake news, then nothing much is left for their interpretation. They only draw the conclusion, and like it adversely impacts the way we think. So, media, which is responsible to educate people, is actually influencing them and making them believe their story. They are trying to sell their story. That is what I want to say.
Nowadays, even though almost everyone is using internet, but many still prefer TV news as a source of reliable information. So in this context, I can say that the news channels play an important role in the way we think and behave. People of a society develop their views and opinions based on the information or the misinformation they were exposed to. These channels also have a great influence on the personality of a person. And when it comes to literature, literature is known as the mirror of the society, as it always reflects the true image of a society. So the news, being a part of our day-to-day lives, affects our literature to a great extent.
Well, I can't say much about it affecting our literature, but yeah, it's affecting our society in every possible manner. Most of the Indian TV news channels are biased, except for the one or two. We all are well aware of that. And the news they are circulating, the so-called news they are circulating over the television, it's just way too toxic.
सभी न्यूज़ चैनल को सही समाचार दिखाना चाहिए, सहजता के साथ, अच्छी शब्दावली का प्रयोग करते हुए एक तरीके में, और उन्हें इस बात का ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि कोई भी समाचार देखते वक्त असहज महसूस ना करे या अपनी मानसिक जो संतुलन है उसको ना खोए। तो इस बात का उन्हें ख़ास तौर पर ध्यान रखना चाहिए और उनके पास जो शक्ति है सद्भावना फैलाने की, उसका उपयोग करना चाहिए उन्हें। और हो सके तो साहित्य के लिए हर रविवार या शनिवार एक मुशायरा या कुछ ऐसा प्रोग्राम शुरू कर सकते हैं जो साहित्य से जुड़ा हो, जो आज की युवा पीढ़ी देखे और सीखे और जाने।
Well, what is the role of a news channel? Well, news channel provide us with the topics to think. They provide us 24/7 news reporting. They give us the reporting for all the news that is happening worldwide, what is happening around the globe. They provide us with an honest review. What shall we do and what should the government do for us? They make strong the democracy. They show the fair and honest opinions of people about the government policies and provide them a voice to be listened by the government.
Media is called to be the fourth pillar of democracy. News channels have always been a source of information about the happenings in the world. News channels have created a deep impact on the minds of people by affecting their thinking ability, social awareness, or a lot of more things. If a news channel presents news directed in against or in support of a particular religion, community group, or a particular group, similar stereotype will generate by people watching it. And it will slowly ingrained in all of us, and literature also cannot be kept completely untouched with the sort of turmoil prevailing in the television. It will always find its way to the literary world, as opinions are often created by the news.
Definitely, media is affecting our literature. If you see Hindi journalists or Hindi news channels, they rarely use the word Pradhan Mantri. Mostly they use the word Prime Minister or PM. If you talk about English journalists or English news channels, when they lose their temper or could not make a valid point, they jump on Hindi. Drug do, mujhe drug do. These golden words were said by a well-known English journalist.
According to me, news channels help in people staying aware about the happenings around the world, and it makes the news interesting. But sometimes they sensitize the issue a lot to increase their TRP, and which directly impact the happenings of it.
चैनल अभी भी समाज को बेहतर बनाने के लिए काफी कदम उठा सकते हैं। जैसे कि समाचार वाचक अगर भावहीन और निष्पक्ष होके जनता तक सारी जानकारी पहुंचाए तो हम एक सही विचारधारा को जन्म दे सकते हैं जानकारी के आधार पर।
न्यूज़ चैनल को खुद की टीआरपी छोड़ के अपने समाचार की तरफ काम करना चाहिए। जो समाचार पूर्ण समाज के लिए हितकारी है या सही है उसे ही आगे पहुंचाना चाहिए, ना कि कुछ भी दिखाया जाए।
News channels concentrate mainly on the bad events happening around the world. This impacts people negatively and make them believe as if crime is everywhere. But if they shift some of their focus to the brighter side of the world, they can make people believe that humanity will always be alive and good deeds are always rewarded. This will encourage people for doing good, leading to the upliftment of society.
Media is considered as the fourth pillar of democracy, and nowadays its image is getting totally degraded due to these media channels. They are funded by some political party and they are just running their propaganda. That's well evident to all of us. And as a viewer, as a citizen, if we are watching such news channels, we are directly or indirectly promoting them. They are getting their TRP and they will continue to show their filthy content. They will serve it to us and we are just watching it.
और मेरी समझ में समाचार एजेंसियां या समाचार पत्र इसे सकारात्मक करने के लिए या बेहतर करने के लिए सिर्फ यही कर सकते हैं कि जो उनका वास्तविक काम है कि वो खबरें जुटाएं, ना कि खबरें बनाएं। तो खबरें जुटाएं, खबरों का विश्लेषण करें, ना कि उन्हें आके उनमें सही गलत खोजें। खबरें बताएं, उनका विश्लेषण करें और हम तक सही खबर पहुंचाएं, सिर्फ और सिर्फ, ना कि किसी तरह का प्रोपेगेंडा। बस यही वो कर सकते हैं और यही मेरा मानना है।
I think that what news channels should actually do to for the welfare of the society at large is to actually present facts, present news based on genuine facts from verified sources, and then display an actual picture of that story. Like they should not sell any propaganda or something of that sort. They should pick up news from some verified sources and then draw a very fair analysis, keeping in mind the viewpoint of both the parties concerned, so that the people, the viewers who are actually watching the news channels can, because that's how they will perceive it to be, and therefore they can draw a better interpretation. They can actually know the true story. So that's what I think they should do, and Indian media should actually really work upon the way they present the news, because that really matters.
According to me, the news channels should not be biased, and they should also make sure the information that they give is correct and not manipulated in any way. Also, these channels must not compete with each other for TRP, rather focus on quality content.
As journalists, all they can do is to circulate genuine news, but we as a society should promote independent journalism. We should pay for the news we wanna watch, we should pay for the news we wanna read. Otherwise, I don't wanna sound political, but yeah, they're gonna show whatever suits them, whatever brings TRP to them. It's just business for them.
हम सभी कभी ना कभी इन समाचार चैनलों के संपर्क में आते ही आते हैं, चाहे टीवी देखते वक्त या यूट्यूब स्क्रॉल करते वक्त। तो साहित्य और समाज पे एक गहरा प्रभाव डालते हैं ये समाचार जो चैनल हैं। और मेरा ये अनुभव रहा है कि कुछ सालों से जो शब्दावली ये प्रयोग करते हैं समाचार दिखाते वक्त, उसका स्तर घटता जा रहा है। पहले के न्यूज़ चैनल्स में और अब के न्यूज़ चैनल्स को अगर आप देखेंगे तो ये जो फ़र्क है आप ज़रूर महसूस कर पाएंगे। और इसी वजह से जो हमारा साहित्य है वो प्रभावित हो रहा है, जो हमारे रोज़मर्रा में प्रयोग होने वाले शब्द हैं वो प्रभावित हो रहे हैं। हम लिखते हैं तो उन्हीं शब्दों का प्रयोग ज़्यादा करते हैं जो हम ज़्यादा सुनते हैं। तो बहुत बड़ा योगदान है इन न्यूज़ चैनल्स का हमारे साहित्य में, और हमारे आने वाले साहित्य पे बहुत बड़ा योगदान रहेगा इन न्यूज़ चैनल्स का।
So what shall a news channel do to make this earth a better place to live? They shall not show the conclusions and shall rather focus on the facts and the information that could be provided to people in the most raw form, not in a conclusive manner. and shall show what is relevant to the people and not what are they paid for.
Since news channels are a deep source of knowledge, it's their responsibility to present a clear and true picture of the incidents and news without any adulteration. They should not mislead the public. They should neither be driven by money or influenced by the powerful and corrupted people. News channels should bring light to stories that are worth sharing. They should not promote fake and biased headlines that are only meant for TRPs or...
There is nothing extraordinary that media should do to make this earth a better place to live. They should do what they are well known for. They should show the truth. They should talk about the basic issues in a country like unemployment, education, poverty, etc. etc.
Okay, in my eyes, when they will follow the 5 ethics, when they will follow the codes of 5 ethics, that is integrity, objectivity, professional behavior, confidentiality, professional competence, and due care, then only they can make this place a better place. Then they can make this earth a better place to live.